today's video, sorry I'm gonna have to slouch because I've literally pulled my camera up as high as possible and it still just doesn't want to work, so we're dealing with this today. Please ignore the fact that I look horrific. I don't have any makeup with me here because my makeup is still at home. But today's video, I'm doing an outfits video. So this is going to be like some of the outfits that I'm going to be wearing to my lectures during this sort of like awkward time of year for weather. I hope you enjoy. For reference, if you ever wanted to know, I'm studying English. So if these outfits for you look very nerdy and boring, then that will be why, because I'm a boring English student who likes to read books. And yeah, let's just get on with the video. So as you probably would know, I live in these H&M cropped t-shirts because they are just perfect t-shirt. So I've just got this one on, as you can see. It's beautiful, I'm modelling it great. I then also have it on with some jeans that I'm going to show you right now. This is the jeans. So these jeans are from Primark. I actually got them on Vinted. They are just really comfortable. They are slightly too big for me, so I'm going to be soon investing in a pair. Can't get a pair. I'm going to invest in a belt, which I feel like will add quite a lot to the outfit. So that's outfit number one. It's very cute, very comfortable, a bit too much blue, but I've got loads of different of these crop tops. So I've also got a black one somewhere on here that I'd probably wear with it. So yeah, there's this one. So this next one, I don't think I've ever worn this sweater vest yet, but we will be doing so soon because it just hasn't been the right weather. So this is the next outfit. This is just like sort of how it sort of looks on the front. So I've kept my t-shirt underneath it because personally I don't actually like the look of the sweater vests with just your arms out. I just think it's a bit weird. I love these jeans. I love them so much. Okay, so this next one, I used to wear these sorts of jumpers in sixth form all the time. I never thought I would actually be wearing one out of choice ever again, but went into Next and saw it and I was like, this is actually pretty cute, so I bought it. £22 though. Not sure I would actually pay £22 ever again for a jumper like this, but it's just got like this confetti sort of look, and it's also got obviously the blue bits down here. And I just thought like with this kind of like bralette kind of style, I thought it would look kind of cute, and especially for this in-between weather where it's not like warm enough, no, it's not cold enough to have a really thick jumper, and some mornings it can be pretty cold, and I've got 2 9 AM lectures actually, so I'll be needing something kind of a bit warmer in the mornings. So yeah, I thought this was really nice, and I have again paired it with my black denim ripped jeans because I love them so much and I just think it looks really nice. And yeah. Okay, so I'm not going to show you the bottoms because I've again paired this top with my black jeans because black jeans just go with everything. But this top is actually from Primark. I used to wear these, I used to live in these last year. Like, they are just the perfect things. Like, just tuck them in to a pair of jeans and you're literally sorted. This one is a new one. I look a bit like Where's Wally, but I actually really love it. I'm going to be getting some more jewellery to like wear with things like this because I literally just have one necklace and that's literally it. But I just love it so much. It's just like the most comfiest thing. It's simple, it'll keep you warm, and like you can wear this like, especially in winter. Last year I used to layer this with like jumpers and hoodies and stuff, so there is that. They're also really good to wear just like with jackets and stuff, so this I probably would pair with when it gets a little bit chillier. So this is from H&M. They do it in like, they redesign it every year. This is probably like 3 years old now, but I just love this jacket. So when it gets a little bit chillier, it's really good for things like this because it's cold outside, but like I said, the heating in my university campus is just so hot that you just cannot really wear like lots of layers. I even found it in the library when I went in March. Pretty sure it had snowed a couple of days prior to that, so I was in all of my layers and I was literally melting. So yeah, so a jacket like this is just brilliant. I also have a black one. I will pop a photo on the screen of what it looks like, and that one's a bit more like proper like winter jacket, but this has got me through sixth form and everything, and I just love it. It's the best thing ever. Okay, so the lighting has gone a bit whack now, sorry, the sun is just coming in. So this outfit is my, what I would call, I'm going to the gym, don't want to wear leggings because leggings are really uncomfortable. I want to be comfortable but not have to change when I get to the gym other than the bottom half, because I'm lazy outfit. So this outfit is really cute. I personally wouldn't just rock up into a lecture wearing a sports bra. That's the kind of thing you do when you go to the gym, but I would pair it with this H&M what the hell am I talking about? This H&M black zip up hoodie thing. It's like a sports thing, or I'd pair it with this Victoria's Secret. Got this off of Vinted actually. Victoria's Secret sports jacket, because obviously the colours match a bit better, and I don't really want to be looking all black because I'm not a drama student. But yeah, all with just this zip up hoodie. It's got like Victoria's Secret sport on the arms, and yeah, this is the kind of outfit that I used to live in online lectures at home, often having a nap in the middle of a lecture. Do not judge me, and I'm not saying no one else did it. I just, yeah, it's embarrassing. I'm not the kind of person who would do that, but just online university gets you like that. And then obviously have it on with my joggers. Surprisingly, these joggers, if you want some good joggers, I would go to Matalan and go to the men's section, because these are the most amazing things I have ever owned. So the camera is definitely not in the same place that we started, but that is everything. My room is literally a tip after trying on all those clothes, and I mean, they're not the most, like I said, not the most stylish outfits, but I've also obviously inserted some photos of different variations of it and different jackets and stuff. But I wanted to film this video because, I mean, sometimes I find it really hard to know what's appropriate to wear to university and what isn't. And also it's hard, especially this time of year, to like find what's right. And I quite like styling videos to watch, especially for university, because you get different ideas and then like you're not wearing the same thing, because trust me, I'm sure I am going to be in the position in a couple of months where I just chuck on a pair of joggers, chuck on a hoodie and go, fuck it. So I'm going to enjoy the styling while I can. But yeah, stay tuned for another video. I hope you enjoy, and yeah, I don't know why I'm being so weird. Oh, strange human.